Welcome to the video lecture for the subject Fashion Merchandising. Today we are going to see about Unit 1, which is of Introduction to Merchandising Part 1. The first topic under Unit 1 is merchandising. The term merchandising comes from the word merchandise. Merchandise means goods and commodities to be sold and bought. It is a department which mediates marketing and production departments. It means to arrange all the required raw materials and to make the goods ready to sell them to the customers. It is a business that moves the world's fashion from designer showroom to retail sales floor and into the hands of consumers. This department is a linking device to all the other departments like stores, cutting, production, packing, checking, etc. in a garment industry. In short, merchandising department is responsible for getting an order from the buyer and completing it and sending it back to the consumers. Next, we'll see about objectives of merchandising. Merchandising has two broad objectives. Buy and store the inventory or product that is expected or needed by the people. It is to achieve the object of the business, that is growth, profit, etc. that is possible when the inventory is sold. Merchandising denotes all the planned activities to execute and dispatch the merchandise on time, taking into consideration of the 4 R's to replenish the customers. Next, we'll see about the 4 R's under the objectives of merchandising. The following are the 4 R's which are considered in merchandising: right quantity, right quality, right cost, right time. Right quantity, to dispatch right quantity of product what buyer ordered. Right quality, it should be with right quality as accepted by both parties. Right cost, everybody wants more from what they are paid. Right time, on time delivery, that is keeping delivery schedule is mandatory. Merchandiser, the person who does all the merchandising process called as merchandiser. Merchandiser acts as a bridge between the industry and the buyer. He is the responsible person of the merchandising department. He is responsible for everything from order analysis to shipment and final payment. He have to look after every job like buying the raw material which is required for finishing the garment, making and finishing the order of the garment, documentation, and final shipping. His job is to coordinate with the entire department in the office as well as the customers. He is the one who creates a good relationship in between the exporter and the buyer. Next, we'll see about the role of the merchandiser. A merchandising role involves the following process like analyzing past sales and trends to anticipate future product needs, devising a merchandise plan using the above techniques, relaying the merchandise plan to the buyer who in turn can decide on what products, styles, color, etc. to purchase and from which suppliers at and what price. Devising a contract for the suppliers including quality control, accuracy and flexibility. This merchandising process done throughout the season, allocating certain amount of stock to each outlet throughout the season. Retailers are now trying to minimize stock holdings and commitment to allow for maximum flexibility. Once the products are all distributed and put on sale, the merchandiser can monitor stock movement, consider markdowns, inter-branch transfers, promotions or clear outs, etc. Functions of merchandisers. The following are the functions of merchandisers: developing new samples, execute sample orders, costing, programming, raw materials or accessories arrangement, production scheduling or a route card drafting. Approval of various processes, pattern and size set, pre-production follow-up, meet inspection agencies, production controlling, identifying shortages and make arrangement for the shortages, following quality assurance procedures, quality control procedures.
monitoring the in-house subcontractors and junior activities, buyer communication, communication with subcontractors, processing units and other third parties, proper reporting, highlighting to the management, record maintenance. Developing samples, placement of orders to suppliers, taking measures for consistent production, taking preventive action to maintain the targeted performance in all areas of activities, attending meeting with superiors and furnishing the required details about merchandising. Thank you.